How to create text file on your Mac, whether you are writing quick notes, saving code, or organizing information. Simple txt file is fastest way to store plain text. So let me show you how you can create it. Firstly, I'm going to press Command spacebar on my keyboard, or you can also open this Spotlight search in this top bar. So click on this icon over here, and now we want to search for text edit. So this first option, text edit, we want to open it. Now you want to hover your mouse at top bar again and click on text edit. Go to settings. And from here we want to change the rich text to plain text. So switch it like this. Now you can close this and we can click on new document. And this is going to create text file, as you can see. So I can type anything I want. And now we want to simply save it. So click on this arrow next to edited, and you can name it how you want. So txtfile. You can add text and the location where you want to save it. So I'm gonna go with the desktop. And now you can see our txt file on our desktop. So I can open it and you can add your notes here or your text. So this was a quick video how you can create a text file on Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.